Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Travel Again. Today I am going to walk you through with a SmartView Monitor plate. So as you can see on my screen, a SmartView Monitor tab. Uh, when you log into your firewall SMS, uh, when let me show you, then you need to go to this logs. Let me show you. You need to go to the log and monitoring, and if you click that, you will come to the this tab, logs, and here you have different views. So one is your logs, another one is the general view, and when you click this plus button here, you will see different things altogether. So here you will see your different view where you will see your audit logs, compliance, access control, and so many things. Here, our particular interest is here, tunnel and user monitoring, this guy. So when you click to that, you will come to SmartView Monitor Blade, and this is how it looks. So SmartView Monitor, what it is? SmartView Monitor is a high-performance network and security analysis system that helps you easily administer your network by establishing work habits based on learned system resource patterns. SmartView Monitor provides a single central interface for monitoring network activity and performance of checkpoint applications. SmartView Monitor allows system administrators to easily configure and monitor different aspects of network activities. Graphical views can easily viewed from a GUI, as you can see on my screen. So here we have different options. I'll walk you through one by one all different options. So when you click here, you will see there are multiple options like file, gateways, queries, view, tools, windows, help, etc. So when you click to the file and go to the new, and when you click to the gateway view, you come here, and here you will see which gateway status you need to monitor. We'll talk on this later, but the main important point what we have here are all gateways. So when you come here and you go to the gateways and view properties, uh, let me go again, gateways and uh, view properties. I think, yeah, this is the one. So here you can select filter your gateway, which you want to do the observation. For example, if I say corporate gateway, if I remove from here, you will not able to see that gateway status into this all gateway status. So let me add it again. Let me click OK. So gateway status view basically is a smart view monitor enables information about the status of all gateways in the network. The data in the result plane provide information about all gateways in organization as well as the information about the gateway such as IP address, the last time it was updated and the status. This information is directly linked to the view selected in an object tree plane. We'll go ahead and walk through that. So, for example, if you click here all gateways, we will see the status of all the gateways, whether they are connected, whether they are disconnected, whether they have any problems, or everything works okay. This is a demo environment, so you will be seeing all this disconnected, but everything is working well. It gives you a green signal here. Let's uh, talk about the VPNs. If you have a VPN configured like site-to-site VPNs, remote access VPNs, their status you can see from here. And when you talk about the firewalls, whatever firewall you have configured, you can see their status here. Right now, let's go back to the option and here come to the tools and click to this suspicious activity rules. A page opens where you will see if you have any rules configured for the suspicious activity. As the fastest changing network environment demand the ability to immediately react to security problems without having to change the entire network rule base. For example, instantly if we want to block a particular user or particular IP address, all inbound and outbound network activities should be inspected and identified as suspicious when necessary requirements. So you can easily do that using these enforce suspicious activity rules. You just have to come here and add whatever the source or network IP address you want to, you know, block. For example, for as you can see on my screen, if I click apply on, and I'll have to give the gateway, which gateway is, want to drop that particular communication. You give the gateway IP address. What is the IP address you wanted to, block? So for example, I'm giving a random IP address 10.1.1.1. What is the subnet mask of that IP address? It's by default taking 24 IP address. If you click to the subnet network, you have a flexibility to change that subnet IP address. Then here, what is the destination is going to, for example, this IP address is going to any destination using any service, and I want to block it for, say, till next week. Or if you want to get absolute dates when you want to, still you want to have the IP to be blocked. And once that is done, you just have to come here and click enforce, and within a seconds, that rule is enforced, and you will be able to see that particular IP address is getting blocked. So SmartView Monitor enables the integration of a suspicious activity monitoring program used to modify access privilege upon the detection of any suspicious network activities. This detection is based on the creation of suspicious activity rules. Suspicious activity rules are security rules that enable the administrator to instantly block suspicious connections that are not restricted by the currently enforced security policy. These rules can be applied immediately without the need of install policies. So here you can see that this thing is got failed because this is a demo environment, but it is a in your real-time environment it works and easily you can block the IP address within a second. I'm just canceling this part. Now let's talk about some more important things here. If you come to the tools and if you want to do some sort of alerting, okay, I'm going back again to the SmartView Monitor blade as due to these restrictions, the connection is got terminated. I'm just relogging to it. Just bear with me. Okay, it's got relogging. So if you want to do some sort of alerting, you just have to come to these tools and click alerts. And here you will see whatever the alerts you have specified, are they generated, are they meet the criteria, and if there are any alerts, you can see here. So it's that simple. Then when you come back to this, go to the tools. If you want to stop the alerting, what we have specified with this option, you just click stop activity and that thing happens right away. That is the one more thing, important thing. Now next on the uh, on the side, if you want to go to the smart view event or smart event, you just have to go to this windows and click the smart event. You will reach to the smart event tab. This is how it looks. Smart event tab. There are too many options available here for a smart view event. So you can see each and everything one by one, and it's all together a different topic of discussion. I'm not going to discuss it now, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. Right? So this is there is a lot of things. If you want to, look more of this gateway status, you just have to double click on that gateway status, and then you will see what is actually happening with the gateway with the various options. So, a lot of information you have here. And the last part is cooperative enforcement. So, cooperative enforcement is a feature that works in conjunction with the endpoint servers. The cooperative enforcement will utilize the endpoint server compliance capacity to verify connection arriving from various hosts across the internet network. It easily deployed and managed. The endpoint server mitigate the risk of hackers, swarms, spywares, and other threats. Using cooperative enforcement, any host initiating a connection through a gateway is tested for compliance. The gateway generally logs for unauthorized hosts. The logs generated for both the authorized and unauthorized hosts can be viewed in a SmartView Monitor. This improves the integrity of the network because it prevents hosts with malicious software component from accessing the network. So this feature acts as a middleman between the host managed by the endpoint server and the endpoint server itself. It relies on the endpoint server compliance features, which defines whether a host or a uh, can secure and can block connection that do not meet the defined prerequisite software components. So I think guys I have give you pretty much understanding on smart monitor. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So whatever the latest upload video will come to you as soon as I upload it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.